we're going to do is to replace the AMC Navigenio top of this beautiful heating device. My lovely wife just dropped it and the glass cracked. So we're gonna show you we got new replacement part and how to change. It's pretty easy, everyone can do. So what we need to do, just to remove those rubber legs, because the screws are right inside, plus all those plastics on the handles to get to the axis of those screws. It's 4 of them there. And now we need to separate it. Okay, we need to take the 4 screws on the handles. And the good thing, the heating part, it didn't break, just the glass. Okay. Okay, now gentle remove the piece. Upside down. Okay. And this is our part, broken part. So what we need to do, the cooking pieces, you have a device with the Bluetooth. All stuff is not much, but you can see here the heating part is pretty smart because it has a springs at the bottom. So that's why this didn't break. But the glass couldn't resist the impact. And now we're putting the new piece on. We put the screws back together. Make sure everything sits well. back in. Put the covers back here. One more screw. Voila! And the top is already replaced. So this is the old broken piece, and we replaced with the brand new one. So now we can use this as an oven when you flip it upside down, so any glass pieces it won't fall into the food. Thank you.